Right. One Robur 2391 safe deposit box lock. Lovely little key. High cuts, low cut right at the front, and that whole second bar of bitting for the sidebar. See if we can get this thing open. That feels springy. That, I think, is going well. Oh, not got this thing open yet. Not once. But I am feeling lucky. Oh, you're binding a little. You're binding a little. None of you are binding as much as you should, though. I missed something on the sidebar. Go to the back of it. You're springy. 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 And springy. Definitely the right amount of springy there. It's not. That back pin on the sidebar is not doing what I want it to be doing. I think that's got it. That, and that's good. That's good. That feels okay. A little harder to feel the springiness on the high lifts there, but I'll take that one. That gave a little click. You're still there. Now you're binding. Okay, cool. Now we've got binding on these top pins. Pop. Come on, we got this. Feeling lucky. Getting tighter. That was a click. That felt like a false set on the top from the barrels, so I'm going to go back and double check the sidebar. You're springy, I think. Yep, springy, springy, springy. Springy. I think we're in a good place. Let's see, where are you? You're springy. You're binding a lot. Snap. Now you're springy. You're binding. You're binding. That felt like the full set again. Did I just pop out of it somehow? Where are these pins? That feels good. That feels bound. That's pin 3 and still feels bound. The bit where I start to worry if I'm pressing on the warding, but no, that's definitely the end of the pin. Well, that moved. Soft, 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 firm, soft, just pin 2. There we go. Oh, yes. First time picked. First time I picked a Robur. I am going to keep it in frame. Keep it in frame. Keep the lock in frame. Vice can go over there. Pinning tray can come over here. Keep all of this in frame and show you what magnificent thing we have just accomplished together. That That's one screw. That is two screws. That is... the tolerances on this thing are so tight, it's really hard to get a shim in. I'm going to see if I can do it quickly. The reason I really like to shim this lock is that when I gut, the key sticks out the back, which interrupts my follower. But that's not a problem this time, is it? That doesn't need to be a problem. When the key's in, it sticks out the back here. But now, because I'm awesome, I don't need to use no stupid key. I can just push this straight through there, catch the sidebar and all of the pins, and pull this out this way. Let's put the lock body there for now. That's the sidebar falling out, so I think that's a sign that I should show you the sidebar first. There's a sidebar. Let's do a little close up there. You can see it's got bitting on it. We'll do a close up of all of these pieces in just a second. Arrange that so that it's visible. Couple of sidebar springs. Oh, feels so good. Let's pull the side pins next because they are spring loaded. That's one of them falling out onto my pinning tray. That's two. That's three. And that's four. And the spring didn't want to come out. There it is. Spring came out. So that's four. Spring stays in place. Good spring. It's four sprung sidebar pins, and the drivers are not actually interesting. They're all standard driver pins. Line those up the right way round. Let's remember to show you this before I drag it out of frame. So put that there and show you a quick close-up here of the milling in the core. You can just see that there, and on the other side you can see it's there as well. And for effect, hopefully you can even hear that clicking. So that is the milled plug, and now I just need to show you the drivers. So first driver is a tiny thin wafer sized thing. Second driver is a barrel. Third driver, barrel. Fourth driver, barrel. Fifth driver, not quite a wafer but still a small standard one. Let's see if I can get that wafer to line up. So, look, I just want this wafer to be next to the others like a cylinder. But, yeah, there we go, it's cooperating. I'll take it. Let's take the springs out. That'll do. 1, 2. That's cat hair. Always try to keep cat hair out of my locks. Doesn't work well as a lubricant. This is a Robur lock body. There's a sidebar groove in it. Nice and sharp, and you can see drill holes through the bottom into the pin chambers, in which there is very little of interest. Right, quick close-up. This is the inside of a Robur 2391 safety deposit box lock, complete with 3 barrel drivers, 4 side pins, matching counter milling in the plug, and can you see the sidebar bitting on that as well? Yeah, let's do one close up bit there. Yeah, that looks visible. There, yeah, that's definitely there. Cool. Oh, awesome stuff. You just saw my first pick of this. Be great to share it with you. Cheers, folks. Catch you next time I do something awesome. I'll give you a sneak peek of what's coming up after this. This is an Assa Twin. The big brother version of this one. I'm looking forward to moving on to that. More barrels, more side pins. Gonna be good. Stick around and we get to see it together. Cheers everyone. Have a great day.